I'm Charlie from Charlie Darlow Hair and Bridal.
So Charlie does hair, I do makeup. Today we are going to switch. So I'm going to be doing hair on a model. Charlie's going to be doing the makeup.
I've got 13 years in the hair industry, but I definitely don't do makeup.
Oh.
No.
I've not even shown you the picture yet.
No, you've not.
Oh,
I haven't even seen the photo yet, actually. I can't wait.
Oh God, I'm so nervous. Okay. Oh wow.
Let me see.
Oh my God. Okay, wait.
I can't wait for you to do
Right, so
that.
some things I think I could do. Like foundation. I put foundation on.
Yeah.
I put foundation on
Yeah.
you. Oh God. I know, because I've watched the girls, that you start with eyes first.
Amazing.
What's this? Oh, aloe water. Like a primer? How do you put primer on? Like just with my hands?
There's...
Okay.
Don't tell her.
Sorry.
Nothing.
It feels a bit weird that I've got to touch you. I guess it's more like that though with... Or do I use a brush? Like this? You can't put primer on with a brush, can you? Oh, this is really hard. I'm just gonna... My hands are clean. She'll be fine.
Do you want some sanitizer?
She's got it on her hands now. It's too late. I'll trust you.
I've never touched someone else's face like this. This is really intimate.
Did you rub it into your hands?
To my
Sorry.
fingers. Yeah. Oh, this is so weird. You guys touch people's faces all the time. Yeah, I'm looking at this.
That's what you're looking for.
That's exactly what I was looking for. I didn't know it was called a base, but she knew. She knew.
Just a thick concealer.
Hmm.
Got a lot of brushes.
There's
to
a lot of
choose
brushes.
from.
I'm just gonna wing it with this one. Now I've seen the girls do this all the time. They put it on the back of their hands. I'm all over
Strong
this.
start.
Okay, close your eyes. I mean, is that the right colour? Okay, look at me a little bit more. I mean, like, turn your head, don't look at me. I can't believe how much you have to touch people in this job.
I don't actually feel like it's a lot.
Do you not? I feel like I'm
really.
like all over you. I had loads of TikToks before I came.
Watch it then, goof.
How do you like take it off your hand when you finished? Just, like, I'm just gonna rub it in. That would be. It's fine.
I usually accidentally always get it like on my boob or something.
Yeah, I feel like I
So
would.
boobs always get in the way.
I'm also going to shove my hair up because I feel like it's flopping everywhere and I'm going to get makeup in my hair. Let's have a bash at that one. It looks really pretty. And I always see the girls do this thing where they go over and over and over, and I think surely that's on already, but they keep going over and over. So I'm just going to do the thing that they do. Just keep going over and over. That's a really cute colour. I like it. I don't feel like eyes are going to be my thing. And then I do know there's such thing as a cut crease. I'm going to have a bash at that. Oh wow. I always think I should train in this, but maybe I shouldn't. There was a bit of black as well, wasn't there? Like just in the corners.
I'm not saying anything.
Right.
Do you want to see again?
Yeah, show me again. I need to pick the right green as well. I think it's one of these.
Take a look at everything you've got available to you.
Yeah, so you've got like that colour. There's definitely black. Oh, what's this? Oh, I know what that is. That's a pigment, I think. Is that a pigment? It looks like a pigment. I'm not sure. Maybe it's not that one actually. I think it's that one. It's that one. How would you get that there? Where's the other? Yes, I want that. Let's have that one there because they all look exactly the same.
So hard not to say anything, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like, that's black. That'll be fine. Mind you, it doesn't go very black on. Maybe I need to put... Oh, is that my cut crease? I think that might be. Okay. Might have gone a little bit wrong, but it's okay because the green can just sit over the top. Beautiful. She's gonna look beautiful. You're gonna look beautiful.
Thank you.
Ish.
Can't wait.
Oh. Oh, I had some on my finger and now it's smudged. How did it get on my finger? Okay, we'll just blend that. I'm really not very good at this. Oh, this is quite hard. I feel like I'm going to be providing good entertainment though.
I love that blending technique you've got going on there.
Is it good?
No.
Oh.
You're using your thumbs. So what are you going to use for the green?
The green?
Okay.
It's green. I feel like I want to blow her face because just covered in dust.
Hygiene at its best.
No hand sanitizer, blow on my face, spit on my face. Artistry. That's what Abbie does to me, she spits on my face.
No, I don't.
Oh, wait, I found something.
Okay.
What did you find?
Glitter primer. That's a really skinny, I'm going to use this really skinny brush. That'll do.
That'll do.
Oh yeah, she's green. She's green.
Is that your cut crease?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't feel like you've got enough black though. I might need to add a bit more.
More black.
Maybe not, I don't know.
No, you do what you think.
This is your work of art. It's feeling alright
Yeah.
as it goes.
Let's just go with some eyeliner. I'm just going to rub that in as well. I mean, wow.
I'm joking.
Open? Uh-huh. I feel like you have to have a lot of patience doing makeup. Okay, look at me. Oh, I feel like she's been beaten up. A bit more of that.
Just blow on the brush.
Oh yeah? Is that no? Saz. I mean, we're all friends.
We're all friends.
We're all friends. Maybe I'm not gonna ever do makeup. You don't look as beautiful as I feel like you should.
I think this puts our jobs into perspective for each other, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right. I've got this. Ooh. Oh, I feel like she's getting there now. This is like the brush I use for my eyebrows.
Is it?
And under my eyes. So it feels like I'm doing, yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah, all good.
Can't wait to see me.
Could you imagine if I did actually train in makeup? If anybody sees this, they're never going to come to me. How do I make it yellow? Oh, that's very yellow though. But it's a powder. What if it gets on her eyeball? It will dry it out. Oh wow. Oh god, what am I doing? Not so good around there though. How do I get rid of some of it? Do you just cover it over with like a nude colour? Like, what do you do if you go wrong? Let's just wipe some of that off. Oh, in fact, what we could do is just match it up the other side, couldn't we? Just add a bit more black there.
Will you get them eyelashes on?
Oh god. Is this when you ask the client which ones they fancy?
But in this case, it's probably up to you.
Whatever you fancy putting on me.
But them ones are huge. Not them ones. Has it got to look like the picture? Let's go for the ones in the middle. So, close your eyes for me. I know that you guys measure these, so close your eyes. And then I'm just going to snip a little bit off the end. Dab a bit of glue. And then you can either like stand for ages doing this.
Just blow on it.
Just, can you blow on it?
No.
No, don't blow on it. Don't blow on it. Maybe I'll get the other one ready. How do you know? Oh no, it goes clear when it's ready. So these aren't ready. We're just going to wait for a minute. You can pause. Oh, that was so... Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. It just happened.
How do you want my eye?
Closed. And then head up a little bit. Stay there. They're huge. They're bigger than I thought.
I thought you picked the smaller ones. My favourite ones are the ones you put down.
What, the big massive ones?
Yeah, they're my favourite ones, London's.
Jesus, you look like a camel.
I don't.
Okay, open your eyes. I don't think that's too bad. I feel like I've just covered up all the eyeliner that I worked painlessly to do though. So I know this is a thing because I've watched the girls do it so many times. And you just kind of dab it. Literally. Oh. Sorry. Oh god, this is so hard.
Don't dip it in again. Don't dip it in again.
Oh,
Take it out.
okay. That was close. Jesus, what, you just dip it in once and then you... Oh wow.
Yeah, you have to throw that away.
I might need like another one.
Yeah.
Well, how the hell do you get them to stick into the other ones? That's impossible. Look at me. Like she's got 2 sets of lashes. Oh no.
Oh, we're gonna have to. Oh, I can see it. You can see it.
How'd you get them to stick? I know you wiggle it sometimes. The brush. You wiggle the brush, not your butt. Okay, look at me. Yeah, that's good, good. Okay, foundation. Okay.
I'm most excited for this.
Definitely not that one. That's too light. Oh, actually. I was going to mix them actually. Oh. Huh. They both look like they should work. Maybe we'll go for the top one.
Oh, which was what one?
Let's give that a squidge. Oh, let's move your beautiful hair out of the way.
Hair by Abbie.
Yeah, just give it a tuck, babe. Give it a tuck. We're just gonna. Oh, maybe that is a bit dark. It looks really dark on your skin now. I think you might look a bit orange. Can I mix them? I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna add a bit of this as well. I'm gonna mix it. I don't know how I'm gonna put it on though. I'm just gonna dab it on. Just like that. So we'll just dab some of that on too. Right, okay.
Can you imagine going to see a makeup artist and they go, oh, right. Oh. It's like when a hairdresser's getting your hair and she goes, oops. What? Huh? When you open your eyes and she goes, oh.
I think this was a lot harder than I thought. I thought I was just going to smash it and be like, yeah, look at me.
Easy.
I thought that would be the hardest bit. It definitely wasn't.
I did only give you 4 foundations to choose from, and you've used 2 of them, so you know, it was a lot easier.
You've just eliminated the dark one and the pale one.
Yeah, and just mix the other 2. Blush. Oh, that's cute. I don't want that one. Oh, there's so many and they all kind of look the same. Not that.
I can't wait to see this in a mirror.
I feel like I'm looking for like a highlighter one as well though, because there's a little bit of like a whiter kind of jazz going on. What are these? Why do they all look the same? So many, so many. I mean, that's not the same thing, right? It looks a bit pinky, but then I'm like pink, green, like so many colours. Can you show me again? But then she's got like a bit of white as well. Is there a highlight? Is that like, no, that's not like a highlighter, that's... No, that's just the normal, I don't like that one. I don't want that one.
Don't like that one. Throw it off the table.
You don't like a normal translucent powder.
Not for this look. Not for this look.
You won't use translucent powder for this. Definitely not for this.
No, this one.
Maybe that one.
Could have possibly.
So maybe I'm gonna go. No, that's a bit. Oh. Oh, God's sake.
I've made it quite easy by not even giving you that many options.
Really? I think we're gonna go with that one. With a bit of that one. Do you have to suck your lips in?
If you want me to. Thumbnail photo.
Is that doing anything? Maybe this isn't the one. I feel like this is literally doing nothing. No, I don't like that one. It's boring. Let's use this one. That should be fine. Oh, you got a bit more going on there now. Let's keep this on. You're just a bit shinier. Very shiny. I feel like I just want to put this all over.
If you want that for a look,
Yeah.
you put it all over.
Bit all over. Bit glittery. You going out after this?
To beds at home.
You might not want to do that.
I'm just looking for a fish. They'll be like, get out of the store.
Oh, is this a highlighter? Oh.
Just been hammering that all around my face.
Okay. Let's just go backwards a bit. I'm just going to put this on now.
I mean, it was quite a
I
glossy
think it's subtle.
look, but... Huh?
No? Not
Subtle. She just grabs the most glowiest highlighter we have and whacks it all over the face.
With a blusher brush.
Maybe take them. Maybe I think it's that one. Yeah. I don't like gloss. You have really big lips. Bit dry as well, Lens. I feel like you need to moisturise them.
Hun.
I mean, looking at your face, I don't feel like I've done terrible.
No?
No. Beautiful. Oh, they're really sticky.
What colour have you gone for?
Hun!
Hun.
Oh, hey, Hun!
Hun.
Hey, Hun!
Hey, hun.
It's so sticky horrible as well. Like, really sticky. You have really chunky lips.
Chunky lips.
Chunky lips.
Need to exercise them. Yes, hun.
Yeah.
Georgiana Tisha, hun.
I'm excited. I think I've done alright. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm. Ready.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Why didn't you put any foundation on my top lip?
Oh, did I not?
Those are pretty good.
Do you think?
Yeah, you've done quite well on them.
That was the hardest bit.
You actually. Oh, now I can see all the highlighter as I'm moving my head. Get that top lip.
Did I use the right colours on the eyes?
Pretty much. Well,
What
we
colours
very
would you
rarely
use?
use a black. It was definitely not a black.
Yeah. But yeah, all this black. Obviously, you had a bit of trouble with the black going everywhere.
That's horrible.
It's because you
Move.
use black. Don't use black.
Okay.
Don't use black. Highlighter wouldn't normally go all over the face either.
And the
you were
bronzer
struggling with.
first, then the blusher, and then the highlighter on top.
Oh, Jesus. Bronzer.
You went highlighter,
Bronzer, blusher, highlighter.
Good job, everybody.
That was hard, man.
It does really take this because there's so many little steps in between.
So you guys can find me at charlie_hair_bridal on Instagram, or if you just go on Facebook, it's Charlie Dardo Hair and Bridal.
Should only be doing your hair and not your makeup. Does it look good or can you see my top lip? Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more to see us embarrass ourselves. Not wear foundation on our top lips. As it goes, I like it like that. Alright. As it goes, that's a wrap, that is. See you later.